Here, I am Ms.G.Sujatha, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Kaveri College for Women. Today, I am going to discuss about data mining concepts. So, first of all, we should know what is data mining, what are the basic concepts of data mining available, and what are the techniques involved in data mining and data mining tools that meet out in the market. So, we can discuss in this session one by one. First, we should know what is data mining is. It is a process of extracting information to identify patterns, trends, and useful data that would allow the business to take data-driven decisions from huge set of data. So, the definition main concept of data mining is extracting information, identify patterns, and allow the business to take data-driven decisions. The basic concepts of data mining. Here we have 5 basic concepts of data mining. First one, we should identify data. Then you have to prepare data, model and evaluate data, present data, and find out whether it meets out the business goal. Next, we are going to discuss about data mining techniques. Some of the techniques available in data mining were classification, clustering, regression, outer, sequential patterns, prediction, association rules. So, frequently using data mining techniques were classification, clustering, regression, association rules. So, we can discuss these techniques one by one in the further slides. The first technique we are going to discuss is classification. This technique is used to obtain important and relevant information about data and metadata. Metadata is data about data. So, this data mining technique helps to classify data in different classes. So, we can discuss with one example to predict a customer whether he or she buys laptop or not. How can we gather relevant information? We can take the customer's information with age group. If they belong to the age group student, then there is a possibility of buying the laptops will be more. And the next relevant information we can gather from the customer is their income. If they are highly salaried, again there is a possibility of buying laptop. So, the basic concept of classification is to mine the relevant information and classify into different classes. Next technique we are going to discuss is about clustering. Clustering is the division of information into groups of connected objects. So, it will have the groups with connected objects. Again, we can have the same example what we have discussed in classification. There we are classifying whether the customer buys computer or laptop or not. Here, it groups the customers in one connected objects which has the possibility to buy laptop and another connected object which has the possibility they do not buy laptop. So, it will divide the informations into groups. That is the main concept of clustering. And the disadvantage here is there may be a loss of certain confined details. As we are grouping the information, data loss will be there, but several models are there to improve the loss of data. Next data mining technique is regression. Regression analysis is the data mining process used to identify and analyze the relationship between variables. So, analyzing the relationship between the variables is the basic concept of regression, which is primarily a form of planning and modeling. So, where you can use is, you can define the probability of specific variables. So, in order to collect statistical data, we can use this technique regression. The next concept is association rules. Association rules basic concept is to take decisions based upon the relationships. So, the association rules are if-then statements that supports to show the probability of interaction between data items within the large sets in different types of databases. So association rule mining has several applications and is commonly used to help sales, correlations in data or medical data sets. So in sales, in medical data sets, we can decide whether the particular sales, in analyzing the sales in particular company, they will predict by using these decisions that product will move on to the market or not. And similarly in medical data sets, we can predict what drug will suit to a particular patient. So in order to analyze and take decisions, we can use association rules. Now we are moving on to data mining tools, that is the application of data mining with tools. So data mining tools have the objective of discovering patterns, trends, grouping among large sets of data, and transforming data into more refined information. So the techniques we have discussed so far has been automated as tools. So these tools helps and transform data which suits to relevant information. The first tool in data mining is Orange. It is a perfect machine learning data and data mining software suite. It supports the visualization and it is software based on components written in Python computing language and developed at Bioinformatics Laboratory. So the basic tool of Orange is in medical data sets. So you can have reports as visualization and the language supports to develop this tool is Python. The next tool is SAS, Statistical Analysis System, which is a product of SAS Institute, which is used creating for analytics and data management. SAS can mine data, change it, manage information from various sources, and analyze statistics. So basic tool here, SAS, is to mine statistical data. SAS Data Miner allows the user to analyze big data. So big data is nothing but large volume of data. So for an example, if you are using Google, so the mining of data will be more. So they all comes under big data concepts. So in order to mine big data or in order to analyze big data, they can use this SAS tool, which is actually a timely decision making purpose. The next tool is Data Melt. It is a computation and visualization environment which offers an interactive structure for data analysis and visualization. So this tool is basically designed for students, engineers and scientists. So it is also known as DMELT. So to analyze or to design or give the data in visualization, this tool is very much helpful. The next tool is the Rattle. It is a guide tool, that is graphical user interface tool. It uses R stats programming language. Rattle exposes the statistical power of R. R programming is another programming language. So this tool is based on R programming. So it offers significant data mining features. So it can be viewed and you can also edit whatever we need. The last data mining tool is Rapid Miner. It is one of the most popular predictive analysis system created by the company with the same name. So Rapid Miner is the company which developed this tool, Rapid Miner. It is written in Java programming language. So it offers an integrated environment for text learning, text mining, deep learning, machine learning and predictive analysis. So text mining, in web mining you have the concept text mining based upon the text patterns, pattern recognition. So text mining basic concept is pattern recognition. Again deep learning also supports predictive analysis. So to mine all these concepts, we can use this Rapid Miner tool which is written in Java programming language. Coming to the end of the session, we have discussed what is data mining, what are the basic concepts of data mining, what are the techniques available in the data mining, the tools available in the market to meet out the data mining concepts. Hope you have got a basic knowledge of data mining. In further sessions, we will move on to the algorithms that are available and supports for each and every techniques of data mining.